Looking to transform your truck into the ultimate driving machine? Today, we're counting down 40 new Amazon car gadgets that will change how you drive. Whether you use your truck for heavy-duty work or weekend adventures, staying updated on the latest pickup gadgets is a game changer. From innovative safety tools to genius storage solutions, let's dive into the best new pickup gadgets on Amazon that you can buy right now. Number 1. CoverGuard Protective Truck. Cover the CoverGuard. Protective truck cover is a must-have for shielding your vehicle from the elements. Made from high-density, waterproof material, it protects against UV rays, rain, and snow, preventing paint fade and rust. The soft inner lining ensures your finish stays scratch-free, while the heavy-duty straps keep it secure during high winds. It's a top-tier piece of new pickup gadgets on Amazon for owners who want to maintain their truck's resale value and pristine look. Number 2. TrashTrove Large Capacity Car Trash Bin. Keep your cabin spotless with the TrashTrove Large Capacity Car Trash Bin. This leak-proof organizer fits perfectly behind the console or on the floor, offering a massive storage area for all your travel waste. It features an adjustable strap for secure mounting and side pockets for extra storage. For anyone tired of a cluttered interior, this is the kind of pickup gadgets that make long-haul drives and daily commutes much more organized and comfortable. Number 3. Tissue Box Cover. The tissue box cover might seem simple, but it's a genius addition to any truck interior. Designed to clip onto your sun visor or headrest, it keeps tissues within arm's reach without taking up valuable cup holder space. Made from premium, durable materials, it matches any interior aesthetic perfectly. It's one of those small but effective pickup gadgets on Amazon that helps you maintain focus on the road while keeping your cabin functional and tidy. Number 4. OilEase Oil Filter Wrench Tool. Maintenance is easier than ever with the OilEase Oil Filter Wrench Tool. This heavy-duty tool is designed to provide maximum grip on stubborn, oily filters, preventing slipping and knuckle injuries. Its adjustable design means it works on a variety of pickup models, making it essential for DIY mechanics. If you prefer doing your own oil changes, this is a highly rated piece of new pickup gadgets on Amazon that will save you time and frustration in the garage. Number 5. SmartCharge Intelligent Battery Charger. Never get stranded with a dead battery again thanks to the SmartCharge Intelligent Battery Charger. This advanced device uses microprocessor-controlled technology to monitor and maintain your truck's battery health automatically. It features a repair mode to bring older batteries back to life and an easy-to-read LCD screen. For those who leave their trucks parked for long periods, this is essential pickup gadgets that ensure your vehicle is always ready to roar to life when you are. Number 6. EscapePro Emergency Car. Escape tool safety should always be a priority, and the EscapePro Emergency Car Escape tool is a lifesaver. This 2-in-1 device features a tungsten steel window breaker and a razor-sharp seatbelt cutter, designed for quick exit during accidents. It's compact enough to fit in your glove box or center console for immediate access. Carrying this tool provides immense peace of mind, making it one of the most critical new pickup gadgets on Amazon for every truck owner. Number 7. MagneTool Magnetic Toolbar. The MagneTool Magnetic Toolbar is a workspace revolution for your truck bed or garage. This powerful strip securely holds wrenches, screwdrivers, and pliers, keeping them organized and accessible during repairs. The extra strong magnets ensure your tools won't fall, even if the truck is moving. For those who use their pickups as mobile workstations, this is a fantastic piece of pickup gadgets on Amazon that increases efficiency and reduces time spent hunting for lost tools. Number 8. OilFlex Oil Filter Wrench. The OilFlex Oil Filter Wrench offers a unique, flexible design that fits into those tight engine bays where standard tools fail. Its high-torque grip ensures you can remove even the most over-tightened filters with ease. Built with professional-grade materials, it's designed to last through years of heavy-duty use. For truck owners who take pride in their own vehicle maintenance, this is a vital addition to your collection of new pickup gadgets on Amazon for 2024. Number 9. WeldSafe Welding Helmet Protective Gear. If you use your truck for heavy-duty welding jobs, the WeldSafe helmet is a game changer. It features auto-darkening technology that protects your eyes in milliseconds, along with an adjustable headband for maximum comfort during long shifts. The wide-view lens provides superior clarity, allowing you to see your work with precision. It's a high-performance piece of new pickup gadgets on Amazon, designed specifically for the hardworking truck owner who demands safety and technical excellence. Number 10. Ratchet Power Straps with Hooks. Secure your cargo with confidence using these Ratchet power straps. Featuring industrial-grade webbing and heavy-duty J-hooks, these straps are built to handle thousands of pounds of tension without fraying. The ergonomic ratcheting handle allows for a tight, vibration-resistant hold on motorcycles, furniture, or construction materials. Its reliable tie-downs are the most important pickup gadgets you can own to ensure your load stays safe in the truck bed, no matter how bumpy the road gets. Number 11. UltraTread Heavy-Duty Truck Mats. Protect your truck's floorboards from mud, snow, and spills with UltraTread Heavy-Duty Truck Mats. These all-weather mats feature deep channels that trap liquid and debris, keeping your carpet looking brand new. They are custom trimmable for a perfect fit and feature a non-slip backing to prevent shifting while driving. For those who use their trucks for outdoor work or off-roading, these are essential pickup gadgets on Amazon to maintain a clean and professional interior. Number 12. AstroAI Digital Tire Inflator. The AstroAI Digital Tire Inflator makes maintaining the perfect tire pressure fast and effortless. This portable device features a bright backlit screen and an auto shut-off function that stops once the desired PSI is reached. It's powered by your truck's 12-volt outlet and includes multiple nozzle attachments for sports equipment or air mattresses. It's a top-rated piece of new pickup gadgets on Amazon that improves fuel efficiency and extends the life of your expensive truck tires. Number 13. GearPro Professional Gear Puller Set. The GearPro Professional Gear Puller Set is an indispensable tool for complex drivetrain or engine repairs. This heavy-duty kit allows you to remove gears, pulleys, and flywheels safely without damaging the components. Made from heat-treated carbon steel, it's built to withstand extreme force and pressure. For serious DIY mechanics and truck enthusiasts, this set is one of those professional-grade pickup gadgets on Amazon that allows you to tackle major maintenance tasks right in your own driveway. Number 14. Heavy-Duty Toolkit. Every truck owner needs a reliable heavy-duty toolkit stashed under the seat. This comprehensive set includes all the essential sockets, wrenches, and screwdrivers needed for emergency roadside repairs. The rugged, blow-molded case keeps everything organized and prevents rattling while you drive. Whether you're tightening a loose bolt or fixing a minor mechanical issue, having this collection of pickup gadgets on Amazon ensures you're never left helpless when you're far from the nearest shop. Number 15. CoverCraft Premium Organizer. Maximize your interior space with the CoverCraft Premium Organizer. This versatile storage solution fits perfectly in your truck bed or trunk, featuring adjustable compartments for tools, groceries, or emergency supplies. The non-slip bottom keeps it from sliding around during sharp turns, and the collapsible design allows for easy storage when not in use. It's an excellent piece of new pickup gadgets on Amazon for keeping your gear organized and easily accessible at all times. Number 16. Nilight QuickFix Toolset for Auto. The Nilight QuickFix Toolset is specifically designed for automotive electrical work and minor body repairs. This kit includes specialized trim removal tools, wire crimpers, and testers that help you install new lights or audio equipment without scratching your interior. It's a high-quality, affordable collection of pickup gadgets on Amazon that every truck customizer should have. With these tools, upgrading your vehicle's tech becomes a much safer and more professional-looking process for any beginner. Number 17. Syncwire Bluetooth FM Transmitter Adapter. Upgrade your older truck's audio system with the Syncwire Bluetooth FM Transmitter. This clever device allows you to stream music and take hands-free calls through your truck's radio, even if it lacks built-in Bluetooth. It also features dual USB ports for fast charging your mobile devices on the go, and it's one of the most popular and affordable new pickup gadgets on Amazon for bringing modern connectivity and safety features to any classic or work vehicle. Number 18. XSTRAP Standard Ratchet Tie-Down Straps. XSTRAP Standard Ratchet tie-down straps are the industry standard for securing light to medium loads. These durable straps feature soft grip handles and vinyl-coated hooks to prevent scratching your truck's paint or chrome. The high-visibility webbing makes them easy to see at night, adding an extra layer of safety. For daily hauling tasks, these are the pickup gadgets on Amazon you'll find yourself reaching for every single time you load up the truck bed. Number 19. Lebogner Durable Steering Wheel Tray. The Lebogner steering wheel tray turns your truck cabin into a mobile office or dining room. This sturdy tray hooks onto the bottom of your steering wheel in seconds, providing a flat surface for your laptop or lunch. It's lightweight and easy to store behind the seat when not in use. For contractors and travelers who spend hours in their vehicles, this is a must-have piece of new pickup gadgets on Amazon for maximum productivity. Number 20. Powerful Car Seat Cooling Fan. Beat the summer heat with this powerful car seat cooling fan. Designed to clip onto the headrest, it provides a steady stream of air to the back and neck area, preventing sweat and discomfort during long drives. It features multiple speed settings and a quiet motor that won't distract you from the road. It's a fantastic piece of pickup gadgets on Amazon for those whose trucks lack ventilated seats but still want a premium, cool experience. GearPro. Number 21. Glide and Grip Sunglass Holder Organizer. Keep your expensive eyewear safe and accessible with the Glide and Grip Sunglass Holder. This compact organizer clips onto your sun visor, allowing you to store and retrieve your glasses with one hand. The soft inner padding prevents scratches, while the secure grip ensures they won't fall during bumpy off-road adventures. It's a simple, inexpensive, and highly effective piece of new pickup gadgets on Amazon that helps reduce clutter and distractions while you're driving. Number 22. ChargeFlow Retractable Car Charger. The ChargeFlow retractable car charger eliminates messy cables from your center console. This high-speed charger features built-in retractable cords for both iPhone and Android devices, pulling them back into the unit when not in use. It supports fast charging technology, ensuring your devices stay powered up during short trips. It's a sleek and modern piece of pickup gadgets on Amazon that keeps your truck's interior looking clean while providing the connectivity you need for modern life. Number 23. TailgateEase Truck Tailgate Assist. The TailgateEase truck. Tailgate Assist is a literal lifesaver for your truck's hardware. This simple hydraulic system controls the drop of your tailgate, allowing it to open smoothly and hands-free without slamming. It reduces strain on the hinges and prevents loud noises at the job site. Installation is a breeze with no drilling required for most models. It's a premium and highly rated piece of new pickup gadgets on Amazon that adds a luxury feel to any truck. Number 24. A portable tire inflator. This heavy-duty portable tire inflator is designed specifically for the larger tires found on pickups and SUVs. With a high-flow motor, it can inflate a truck tire in minutes, saving you from waiting for a tow truck. The built-in LED light makes nighttime repairs safe, and the digital gauge ensures extreme accuracy. It's one of those essential pickup gadgets on Amazon that belongs in every emergency kit, especially for those who frequent remote areas or work sites. Number 25. FlexiHold Adjustable Tablet Stand. Keep your passengers entertained or your GPS visible with the FlexiHold adjustable tablet stand. This rugged mount attaches securely to the seat headrest or the dashboard, providing a stable viewing platform for tablets of all sizes. The 360-degree rotation allows for the perfect viewing angle in any lighting condition. For families or professional drivers who rely on tablets for navigation, this is a fantastic piece of new pickup gadgets on Amazon that ensures safety and convenience. Number 26. Heavy Duty Toolkit XL version. This XL Heavy Duty Toolkit is for the truck owner who leaves nothing to chance. Including over 200 pieces from specialized Torx bits to heavy-duty pliers, it's a complete mobile workshop. The impact-resistant case is designed to withstand the rough environment of a truck bed. If you're heading on a cross-country trip or deep into the backcountry, this collection of pickup gadgets on Amazon is the ultimate insurance policy against mechanical failure and unexpected delays. Number 27. Taillight LED Truck. Tail light bar. Enhance your visibility and style with the Taillight LED Truck Tail Light Bar. This waterproof strip mounts just above your bumper, providing synchronized turn signals, brake lights, and reverse lights in a brilliant LED display. It significantly increases safety by making your intentions clearer to drivers behind you, especially in heavy rain or fog. It's a popular and stylish piece of new pickup gadgets on Amazon that gives your truck a modern, high-tech appearance. Number 28. PowerSmart Fast Car Charger. The PowerSmart Fast Car Charger is the ultimate power solution for the tech-heavy driver. Featuring a massive 65-watt output, it can charge laptops, tablets, and smartphones simultaneously at maximum speed. The intelligent chip prevents overheating and overcharging, even protecting your expensive electronics. For those who use their truck as a mobile office, this is a vital piece of pickup gadgets on Amazon that ensures you never run out of juice while you're out in the field. Number 29. Ride Revamp Car Storage Organizer. The Ride Revamp Car Storage Organizer is designed to fit perfectly in the gap between your seat and center console. This prevents phones, keys, and coins from falling into the black hole while providing extra storage for small items. It even features a built-in charging port for added convenience. It's a clever and inexpensive piece of new pickup gadgets on Amazon that solves a major daily annoyance for truck owners while keeping the interior organized. Number 30. Mushy Hitchmaster Vehicle HitchStep. The Hitchmaster Vehicle. HitchStep provides easy access to your truck bed and roof rack. This heavy-duty steel step slides into any 2-inch hitch receiver and features a non-slip surface for safety in wet conditions. It also acts as a bumper guard, protecting your truck from low-speed rear-end impacts. It's a rugged and practical piece of pickup gadgets on Amazon that makes loading and unloading your gear much safer and more convenient for everyone. Number 31. Safe Signal Emergency Warning Triangles. Be prepared for the unexpected with Safe Signal Emergency Warning Triangles. This set of 3 highly reflective triangles is essential for alerting other drivers when you're stopped on the shoulder. Heck, they feature a weighted base to stay upright in high winds and fold down into a compact carrying case. Safety experts recommend these as vital pickup gadgets on Amazon for every vehicle, providing a much higher level of visibility than hazard lights alone. Number 32. UltraView HD 4K Cam. The UltraView HD 4K Cam provides crystal clear evidence in the event of an accident. With its wide-angle lens and superior night vision, it captures every detail, including license plates and street signs. It features a G sensor that automatically saves footage during a collision and a parking mode for 24/7 protection. It's a high-tech piece of new pickup gadgets on Amazon that can save you thousands in insurance claims and provides total peace of mind. Number 33. Eco Trash Car Trash Can Bin. The Eco Trash Bin offers a sleek and sustainable way to keep your truck clean. This waterproof container features a magnetic lid to trap odors and a stable base that won't tip over. It's made from recycled materials, making it a great choice for eco-conscious drivers. For those who live out of their trucks during long workdays, this is a practical piece of pickup gadgets on Amazon that helps maintain a professional and hygienic environment inside the cabin. Number 34. Wheel Block Durable. Wheel chock safety is paramount when working on your truck, and Wheel Block Durable wheel chocks are essential. These heavy-duty rubber chocks prevent your vehicle from rolling while it's jacked up or parked on an incline. They feature a high grip surface and an integrated handle for easy placement. For anyone doing their own brake jobs or suspension work, these are the pickup gadgets on Amazon that ensure your safety and prevent catastrophic accidents in the driveway. Number 35. GearHaven Backseat Organizer. The GearHaven Backseat Organizer is the ultimate solution for family road trips. It features multiple mesh pockets, a touchscreen tablet holder, and even a fold-down tray for snacks. Made from durable, easy-to-clean materials, it protects your seat backs from muddy footprints. It's a fantastic piece of new pickup gadgets on Amazon that keeps kids entertained and your cabin organized, making those long drives across the country much more enjoyable for everyone involved. Number 36. Syncwave Bluetooth FM Transmitter. The Syncwave Bluetooth FM Transmitter is a premium audio solution for older pickups. It offers superior sound quality and a stable connection, allowing you to enjoy your favorite podcasts and playlists without static. The large display makes it easy to see incoming calls and track information at a glance. It's a highly rated and reliable piece of pickup gadgets on Amazon that brings modern technology to your trusted work truck without the need for an expensive head unit upgrade. Number 37. Clamp-Tight Heavy-Duty Tonneau Clamps. If you've lost or broken the hardware for your truck bed cover, Clamp-Tight Heavy-Duty Tonneau Clamps are the perfect replacement. These universal clamps are designed to provide a rock-solid hold on almost any folding or roll-up cover. Made from high-strength aluminum, they won't rust or corrode over time. It's a specific but vital piece of new pickup gadgets on Amazon that ensures your cargo stays dry and secure no matter the weather conditions. Number 38. CargoNet Pro Truck Bed. CargoNet. The CargoNet Pro is the easiest way to secure loose items in your truck bed. This high-elasticity net stretches to fit over groceries, camping gear, or tools, preventing them from sliding around or flying out on the highway. It features heavy-duty carabiners for quick attachment to your truck's tie-down points. It's an essential and affordable piece of pickup gadgets on Amazon for anyone who frequently hauls smaller items that don't require heavy ratchet straps. Number 39. Light Trail LED Trailer Light Kit. The Light Trail LED Trailer Light Kit is a significant safety upgrade for anyone who frequently tows. These brilliant LED lights are much brighter and more reliable than traditional incandescent bulbs, ensuring other drivers see you clearly. They are completely waterproof and vibration resistant, making them perfect for boat trailers or off-road use. It's a high-quality piece of new pickup gadgets on Amazon that ensures you remain compliant with road safety laws while protecting your valuable cargo. Number 40. Roof Armor Maverick Roof Protector. Protect your truck's roof from scratches and dents with the Roof Armor Maverick Roof Protector. This thick padded mat provides a cushioned surface for roof racks, kayaks, or lumber. It features a non-slip bottom to keep it in place and a weather-resistant top layer for durability. For those who frequently haul gear on top of their cab, this is a brilliant piece of new pickup gadgets on Amazon that prevents expensive damage and keeps your truck looking its best. And there you have it, 40 new Amazon car gadgets that will change how you drive. From safety essentials to high-tech upgrades, these gadgets are designed to make your truck more functional and enjoyable. If you saw something today that you need for your rig, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more truck gear reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new gadget spotlight. All product links are in the description. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.